What is up, everybody? My name is Nyla and I am back with another Skyway Classics car. Today I have a beautiful 1964 Ford pickup to show you. Really sharp looking truck. Beautiful kind of goldish champagne colored paint. Got the truck bed cover on there. The truck bed inside also is very beautiful. It is wood green, and I have some pictures of that as well. Lots of customizations and unique features on this truck, which will all be listed for your viewing below this video here. But really nice, fully functional AC, new stereo, new speakers, updated interior, automatic transmission. Super fun. Take a look at the inside here. Really pretty. Functional. They put some storage space in here. Storage compartments. How pretty. Very cool. Horn is working. So as always, I'm gonna get that engine started. We'll take a video of the engine bay, and then we will take it for a drive and then put her on a lift. I do want to show you a video of the truck bed back here because it's really pretty. I do have still shots of this entire truck inside and out. We also post all the still shots of the underneath in the engine bay on our website. So if you like our videos, please check out our website, skywayclassics.com, and it'll have all of our inventory pictures on there for your viewing pleasure as well. Inside the 64, gonna take a first spin down the road. As you can see, there's some updated dash, speedometers, all that is in great working condition. Let's see how she does. Definitely has some rumble under the hood, sounding really good. Super good handling. This truck feels and drives like a brand new truck would. You would never know how old it is. It's been definitely updated, upgraded. No squeaking there on the dip in the road. That's always a good sign. And I'm just gonna take it for a short spin down the road, let it go through the gears. Really feels good, sounds good. Super touchy handling, which is not a bad thing. Let's give it some gas here. Beautiful shift change. Do a little brake check here, no hands, no pulling. Just awesome, solid truck. I'm gonna swing it around. We'll turn around and get it back on the lift, and we will take a look at the undercarriage. Stay tuned.